Let me do the mind mapping technique to better understand depression using the biogenic amine theory. Okay, nurses, this is your nerve terminal. So this is the nerve, and this is the post effector cell. So the post effector cell is located in the brain. So you have the post effector cell. Between the nerve and the post effector cell is what you call the synaptic cleft. Alright, why do I have to discuss again the nerve, the post effector cell, and the synaptic cleft? Because according to the biogenic amine theory, a medical theory that will explain depression, we have to make use of your anatomy and your physiology. Anatomy and physiology will explain that the nerve terminal releases the three neurotransmitters. The first neurotransmitter, although not in order, you have your dopamine, you have your norepinephrine, and you have your serotonin. This is just my explanation and a representation using a mind mapping technique. So the nerve terminal releases the three neurotransmitters. You have your dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin into the synaptic cleft. Once the three are present at the synaptic cleft, they are now ready to stimulate the post effector cell in the brain, causing an increase in your mood, alertness. You also have increase of your arousal and your attention. Alright, so normally, if the nerve terminal releases the three neurotransmitter and this three neurotransmitter is now capable of stimulating the post effector cell in the brain, then there is no depression because the three can regulate the mood, alertness, attention, and your arousal. This is still normal. But according to the biogenic amine theory, the three neurotransmitters are decreased, the norepinephrine, dopamine, and serotonin. It's because there is what you call an enzyme. That enzyme is what you call your monoamine oxidase enzyme. What's the function or the role of monoamine oxidase enzyme? The monoamine oxidase enzyme, nurses, is responsible to destroy or eliminate and decrease the level of your dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin at the synaptic cleft. Again, the monoamine oxidase enzyme is capable of degrading or destroying the three neurotransmitters. So look at my representation. The presence of monoamine oxidase enzyme, or the MAO, this MAO is capable of destroying the three neurotransmitter. Once the three is destroyed, what will happen? Can you now expect stimulation of the post effector cell? Of course, no. We cannot expect stimulation of the post effector cell. So what will happen if there is no stimulation? If there is no stimulation, expect that there will be decrease of your mood, alertness, arousal, and attention. Can this lead to depression? Yes. And that is the theory of your biogenic amine. Okay, you have your biogenic amine theory, mentioned that you have decrease of your dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin because there is destruction by the monoamine oxidase enzyme.